What's up, buds? I want to let y'all know it is fucking Black Friday. It's on. I have been working on getting all the sales listed and everything together and all the products discounted. There's all kinds of discounts this year. Motors are on sale. Batteries are all on sale. ESCs and flight controllers are all on sale, including FedTech, all the T-Motor stuff. TBS is on sale again. I've got nano receivers, Tango 2s, Pros, I gotta add ELRS and Radio Master. I haven't done that yet, but I'm getting them added tonight. There's all the chargers from Hota are on sale, whether you want a 4-way F6 or a F6 Plus with the built-in AC power supply, or you like that 2-way D6 Pro. Man, charge all the packs. I got all the discounts on all the chargers and all the batteries. Even the power supply for the DC chargers is on sale. What else do you guys want? Frames are all on sale. Every frame in stock is on sale. I'm out of Source Ones and waiting for TBS to restock them. I've been working really hard on actually just getting tons of product in stock to be ready for this year. I've expanded the shop, added a bunch of shelving to hold it all. Crazy amounts of LEDs in the shop now. Yeah, what do you guys want? More drones? I got drones. Tool sets are on sale. What else? Oh, analog gear is on sale. All the TBS analog and the Foxeer analog gear, all of it on sale. I got the T-Rex camera. It's the best analog camera there is. True RC antennas, all your FPV antennas, get them on sale as well. What else? Dude, it's like damn near the whole store. Almost anything that I could fucking find in the store, I just went ahead and put it on sale because yeah, it's Christmas, bitches. Get yourself something nice. But when you go to flyhighfpv.com, right at the very top of the site, there's a banner that says a Black Friday sale is on. Click that banner and get our breakdown. It'll give you a list of damn near everything that's on sale right now. And keep checking back because I'm adding more. I'm gonna try to do Radio Master, ELRS, Boxers, all that stuff will go on sale tonight if I have time. Don't quote me on that. It's been crazy, but I'm just trying to keep it all going, man. Appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for the love, and let me know if I need to add something else to the shop sale because damn near everything's on there now. Trying to think, is there anything I'm missing? Oh, DJI O3s, Vistas, and OG air units all on sale. I've even got the cameras, the Nano, what is it? Not the Nano. I don't have the Nano camera. I've got the Nebula Pro cameras on sale, the Polar Pro night cameras on sale, the DJI O3 cameras also on sale. Shit. What else do you want, boys? All my best motors are all on sale. The Velox. Shit. Let's do the Velox too. I'm gonna add the Velox to the sale. I just decided. They're gonna be $13 motors again. Get them while you can, bro. Fly high FPV, bitches. Let's do this.